Dear student, today I am discussing about form of inheritance. Form of inheritance. What is inheritance? You are already known. Inheritance is an ability of object-oriented programming to inherit the properties of an existing class to a subclass. Inheritance is the properties or ability of object-oriented programming. So inheritance ଆମେ ଏଠି ଦେଖିବା form of inheritance. Inheritance are 5 types. One is single inheritance, then multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, then hierarchical inheritance, then hybrid inheritance. 5 type of inheritance. Then first of all I am discussing about single inheritance. What is single inheritance? I am taking two class here, class A and a class B. This is the class A, this is base class or super class, this is derived class or subclass. Single class कहुची when a subclass, this is subclass derived or subclass inherits from only one superclass or base class. It is known as single inheritance. It represents a linear relationship between a superclass or a subclass. So single inheritance is what? When a subclass, this is subclass, inherits from only one superclass or base class, it is known as single inheritance. This is your single inheritance. Then I am discussing multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance कौन ना? Multiple inheritance कहूची ना what ना when a subclass inherits from more than one superclass or base class, it is known as multiple inheritance. सिंगल इनहेरिटेंस आम कौन पिला देखले ना जदि गोटे सब क्लास ओनली वन सिंगल सुपर क्लास ठार इनहेरिट होमें सिंगल इनहेरिटेंस कहवा. बट मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस कौन ना वन सब क्लास इनहेरिट फ्रॉम मोर देन वन सुपर क्लास. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस. देन आई एम गोइंग टू मल्टी लेवल इनहेरिटेंस. व्हाट इज मल्टी लेवल इनहेरिटेंस? हियर I have taken 3 classes. One is base class, another is derived class of that base class, then another is the derived class of that base class. So here when a subclass inherits from a superclass which itself inherited from another superclass, then such inheritance is known as multi-level inheritance. से कहूची जदि गोटाए डिराइव क्लास रु गोटे गोटे सब क्लास इनहेरिट होइतबो गोटे सुपर क्लास रु से निजे सुपर क्लास पुनी आ गोटे सुपर क्लास रु इनहेरिट होइतिबो ताको कहजिबो multi-level inheritance. Here class B inherits properties and method of class A and class C inherits the properties and method of class B as well as inherits the properties and method of class A. So this is called as multi-level inheritance. Then C B रो आउ A रो properties method को inherit करूची तेणु आको multi-level inheritance कहा जाए. गोटे लेवल दे जाउची को multi-level, one level, then this is one level, this is another level, then multi-level inheritance. Then I am going to fourth concept, fourth inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. HIER, hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance, what is hierarchical inheritance? When more than one subclasses are inherited from when more than one subclass inherited from one superclass. This is one superclass. More than one subclass inherited from one superclass or base class, it is known as hierarchical inheritance. It is known as hierarchical inheritance. Then this is hierarchical inheritance. Here I am taking 4 classes, then 3 classes, 3 class inherit gote super class. So it is called as hierarchical inheritance. Then hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance what is? Now when one subclass inherits from multiple base classes and all of its base classes inherit from a single base class, this form of inheritance is known as hybrid inheritance. This form of inheritance known as hybrid inheritance. Here class B and C inherits the properties and method of class A. Class D inherits the properties and method of class B and class C, as well as inherits the properties and method of class A. So this is called as a hybrid inheritance. These 5 are form of inheritance. Your form of inheritance are completed. Then ପିଲାମାନେ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଏଇଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ନୋଟ୍ରେ ଗୋଟେ ତୁମକୁ ବୁଝେଇ ଦେଉଛି ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମଟାକୁ ଲେଖିଦେବ। ଦେଖ ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ଇନହେରିଟାନ୍ସର ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଦିଆହେଇଛି। ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଏ ନିଆହେଇଛି, ଏଠି ଇଣ୍ଟିଜର ଏକ୍ସ ୱାଇ ନିଆହେଇଛି, ଏଠି ଇଣ୍ଟ ଗେଟ୍ ଗୋଟେ ମେଥଡ଼, int p int q ନିଆହେଇଛି। this is the କ'ଣ what ନା this p is also variable, this q is also variable, int as ଦୁଇଟାକାର ଡାଟା ଟାଇପ୍, ଦୁଇଟାକ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଦିସ୍ ମେଥଡ଼। ଦେନ୍ x ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ ଟୁ p, ଯେଉଁ ଆମେ x ଏଠି ନେଇଛେ ଏ xକୁ p କୁ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ ଟୁ କଲେ, ଏ y କୁ q କୁ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ ଟୁ କଲେ। ଦେନ୍ return 0, যেহেতু return 0 কাহিঁ লেখা হচ্ছে যেহেতু এটি int নিয়াহইছি। দেন void show another method, এইথরে আমি প্রিন্ট করিয়া চাহুଛୁ system.out.println value of x equal to plus x, প্লসটা তোমার কনকাটিনেশন করছি এই তোমার এই লাইন কু এই x সহিত। দেন সিস্টম প্রিন্ট করছি system.out.println, এইটা প্রিন্ট করিব y র ভ্যালু। দেন ক্লাস b এক্সটেন্ড এ করা হলা কেন, এই bটা হচ্ছে সব ক্লাস, এ হলা সুপার ক্লাস। তেনু এক্সটেন্ড कीवर्ड एटी यूज है पब्लिक स्टैटिक भॉइड मेन, एटी मेन फंक्शन निगला जो थे कॉल कराला बी इक्वल टू न्यू बी, ए बी क्लास रो बी गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट निगला, बी है ऑब्जेक्ट डिक्लेयर करा। देन बी डॉट गेट 5 6, ए गेट मेथड एटी नहीं आम ए गेट मेथड 5 6 नेला। 5 हूँ पी रो वैल्यू आउ क्यू हूँ 6 हूँ क्यू रो वैल्यू। तेणु पी एक्स इक्वाल टू 5, देन वाई इक्वाल टू 6 पड़ला। तेणु ये प्रिंट करियो वैल्यू ऑफ x इक्वाल टू 5, देन वैल्यू ऑफ y इक्वाल टू केते 6। बी डॉट शो मेथड ये केतले प्रिंट करिवो जेतेबेले एई मेथडटा कॉल हबो ऑब्जेक्ट द्वारा, बी डॉट शो मेथड एई मेथडटा तेरे कॉल हबो। तेणु एई मेथड कॉल हेले ए दुटा का वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड वैल्यू ऑफ y प्रिंट करिवो। दिस इज कंप्लीटेड योर व्हाट इनहेरिटेंस एग्जांपल एंड फॉर्म ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस। If any doubt, please ask me and call me. My personal mobile number from this is the completed your inheritance. Then thank you very much. तो मु नोट सेंड कर देबी ऑलरेडी, डाउट थले पचारि जो मते पचारिबो।